Hi there. In this video, we'll walk you through how to connect your Order Desk account to Warehance so your orders can sync seamlessly and we can handle your fulfillment automatically. Before we get started, there are two important things you should know. First, you can't create your own Order Desk account. Our team at Warehance will create it for you when you request one. Once it's ready, you'll receive an email with your login credentials. Second, each Order Desk account can only be connected to one sales platform, like Amazon, Etsy, or eBay. If you're selling on multiple platforms, no worries. Just contact us and we'll provide additional Order Desk accounts for each one. All right, let's get started. First, go to orderdesk.com and log in using the credentials sent to you. The first time you log in, you'll be prompted to set a new password. Go ahead and complete that to activate your account. Next, open a new tab and head over to warehance.com. Log in with your Warehance account and from the left-hand menu, click on Stores. Here you'll see a list of commerce platforms and marketplaces you can connect, including Etsy, Amazon, eBay, and many others. Now go back to Order Desk. From the left menu, click on Manage Integrations. This is where you'll choose which platform to connect your Order Desk account to. For this example, let's select eBay. If you haven't already signed in to your eBay account, you'll be prompted to log in or create one. Once that's done, Order Desk will connect to your eBay store. Now that the integration is selected, let's enable access for Warehance. Click on Store Settings in the left-hand menu, then click on the API tab at the top. From there, click Create API Key. This will generate two important pieces of information, your store ID and your API key. Keep this page open. You'll need to copy both of these. Now return to warehance.com, go back to the Stores section, and click to add a new store. You'll see a form with the following fields. Client. Select your name or business. Store name. This can be anything you like just for your reference. For example, eBay store. API key. Paste the API key from Order Desk. Store ID. Paste the store ID as well. Once everything is filled out, click Connect Store, and you're all set. Your platform is now successfully connected to Warehance, and your orders will start syncing automatically for fulfillment. And remember, if you need to connect another sales channel, just reach out and we'll set up an additional Order Desk account for you. You can change your Order Desk store by clicking the store name in the top left corner of your screen and selecting the one you want to switch to.